Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 11th, 2021, and we're getting some more harvests out of the gardens. We got some new potatoes here, and we got some cosmic purple carrots. Now we already got these washed off and cleaned off, and we're going to have these for supper. So previously we've gotten out some onions, and we did get out some garlic. So I just wanted to show you here what we are getting out of the garden. I did see that the early treat hybrid tomato in the greenhouse is starting to turn red. So that's going to be nice. We're going to have our own tomatoes. Now the tomato stalks out in the gardens, they do have tomatoes hanging on them. But the one in the greenhouse seems like it's going to ripen up first. So you can check out tours of the gardens on my YouTube channel. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye! And you can also see how I grow my tomatoes in the greenhouse as a greenhouse crop. I have videos on my channel for how I do that as well, so you can check those out.